Hi, kindergarten. We just started learning about the continent of Antarctica, so we have a new repeated language song. But before I tell you what our song is about, we're going to play a little game called Who Am I? I'm going to give you 3 clues about this animal. I want you to guess who it is. I am black and white. I eat fish. I'm a bird, but I can't fly. Who am I? Take a minute and think about it. Well, if you said a penguin, you would be correct. Starting today, we're learning about penguins in our repeated language called Penguin Song. I'm going to read you our song right now. I'm a little penguin in the sea. I can swim as fast as can be. When I catch a fish, just look at me. I'm as proud as I can be. I'm going to read that one more time, and this time I want you to read after me. I'm a little penguin in the sea. I can swim as fast as can be. When I catch a fish, just look at me. I'm as proud as I can be. This time I want us to read it all together. I'm a little penguin in the sea. I can swim as fast as can be. When I catch a fish, just look at me. I'm as proud as I can be. I love this song because it's all about penguins, and I love penguins, but I also love rhyming words. And there were several rhyming words in that poem. I'm going to mention a couple. B, C, they rhyme. Me, B, they rhyme. So we have me, B, and C, and they all rhyme. Now I wanted to take a second and look at the word sea in our chart. I drew ocean waves above sea. Do you notice anything weird about sea? You might have seen that there's an A at the end. We know the sight word sea is S-E-E, but this is S-E-A. Sometimes E and A, they make the E sound too. So if you see the word sea with an A, it means the small ocean kind. And C with 2 E's is when you look or see. I'm going to take my marker and I'm going to annotate this chart with you. Okay, so the first thing that I noticed that's really important must be this word sea because it ends in E-A. That's a new vowel pair that we haven't learned in kindergarten yet. So if you see E-A, it makes the E sound. I also notice that there is the word fish. I'm going to tap out fish. F-I-sh. There's that SH digraph. I'm going to underline it. I also see our sight word look. L-O-O-K, look. Sometimes I like to decorate the word look to help me remember that it means to see or look at something. And these O's always remind me of 2 eyes, so I always draw 2 eyes in my look. Up at the top, we have I'm. I'm is short for I am. It's called a contraction, when you take 2 bigger words and you push them together. This apostrophe tells us that there used to be a letter here, but we took it out to shorten the words. So now it's I'm instead of I am. I also see here in the word when is another digraph. Do you know what digraph I'm talking about? It's W-H whistle whoop. So I'm going to underline that too because that must be important. I see I'm again instead of I am. They use this apostrophe to say, hey, we took out a letter to make it shorter. That's why there's an apostrophe. Let's read this one more time together, and this time I want you to focus on the ending punctuation. Sometimes it's a period, sometimes it's a comma, which means, hey, we're not done, it's just a break. And then sometimes there's exclamation marks, which means that we have to read this with lots of feeling. Penguin song, repeated language. I'm a little penguin in the sea. I can swim as fast as can be. When I catch a fish, just look at me. I'm as proud as I can be. Thank you for spending some time with me today to learn our new repeated language all about penguins. I hope you're going to enjoy learning about penguins like I do. Bye, kindergarten.